Alright, so today in this video, I'm going to show you a complete free method. You can go ahead and now use that motion control feature for absolutely free. Yeah, you heard me right, you guys. So now you don't need Higgsfield. You no longer need Kling AI. This process would be absolutely free. So make sure to stick around till the end of this video. So without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to come inside of Google and search over here Figma Weave and just click on your first website. And this would be the home page where you're going to land. So from here, you need to click on Start Now. Make sure you log in with your Google account inside of Figma Weave. All right, so after you are logged in and signed up, so this is the kind of interface where you're going to land into. So then after that, you need to click on Create New File. Okay, so then it's going to land you inside of a canvas, a plain black canvas. So from here, what you can do is you can create kind of a workflow, just to create your motion control videos for absolutely free. And right now, you guys can see we have 150 credits. So that would be enough for one single account to at least create 3 videos. So yeah, that is absolutely amazing, you guys. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and start by creating my workflow. So for creating your workflow, you need to go to the left tab right over here. Click on this quick access. And from here, you need to simply drag and drop this import button, one over here and one over here, you guys. Okay, so we have now 2 of our import tabs. All right, so after your both imports have been done, so next thing you need to do is you need to import your model through which you're going to do your motion control. So for that, we're going to open a new tab and search over here Fal AI. Click on the first link right over here. And over here, you need to sign up inside of Fal AI once again. So I'm going to click on Login, continue with Google. All right, just like that. And this is the homepage that is going to offer. And inside of Fal AI dashboard, you need to click on the Explore button. You need to go inside of that. And then I'm going to search over here motion control. Okay. All right, so from here, we need to click on this Kling Video V2.6 standard motion control. I'm going to open this video model. And from here, this is all we need. Okay, so I'm going to simply go ahead and copy the link of this website. Come back into your Figma Weave, and from here, what we need to do is we need to simply copy paste that model inside of this workflow. So I'm gonna do right click on import model, then it's saying paste replicate.com Fal AI or any link. So I'm gonna just copy paste the same link that I did from Fal AI, and then now you guys can see my model has been imported. Okay, so now our app is ready, our workflow is ready. So now we are ready to do the motion control. So one file, you need to upload your image, and the next file, you need to upload your video, just like the same we used to do in Kling AI or Higgsfield. So I'm going to go ahead and start by uploading the reference video of Marlon that we want to do motion control of. All right, so this is that reference video, and then inside of image, we need to basically import the image that we want the motion control to be. And for creating images, I basically showed you in my last video the prompts and everything, how you can go ahead and quickly create your images. So let's just say for the first one, we're going to go ahead and take a screenshot of Marlon, and second image would be any screenshot of your character. It could be like, let's just say in this case, I did for Cristiano Ronaldo, and then I simply paste the prompt inside of Gemini, replace the first image with a person in the second image, keep image 1 background lighting, everything as it is, just change the person in image 1 to H2, keep all the characteristics of image. And I'm going to go ahead and provide this prompt down in the description again. And if you want to go ahead and, see the steps comprehensively, so you can definitely check out my last video as well. So for that, it basically provide me with this image. And again, if you want to go ahead and sharpen up this image, just bit more lighting on the face, so you can simply drag and drop and say, can you create this image again, like in a way that the face has more night lighting, just make it more sharper, and then it's going to provide you with something like this, which looks absolutely perfect. And similarly, I basically did that for eye show speed as well. Again, Marlon image, eye show speed image, the same prompt, it basically provided me with this output, sharpen it up, and now we have this one. So yeah, so over here we can simply drag and drop. Let's just go ahead, we can do for Cristiano Ronaldo image, just like that. So now I have my reference video ready and our image ready. And from here, what I need to do is I need to basically, combine the workflows together. So the red will go to the red and the green will go to the green one. We're going to combine that with that. And then After that, you can see Fal AI, this model is using 50 credits, and in total we have 150 credits, which means you'll be able to generate 3 videos out of single account, and you can use multiple accounts to basically regenerate these videos of any characters of your choice, and the quality would be absolutely insane. Okay, so from here I'm gonna simply click on run model, but before that, make sure you select character orientation as video, okay, because it's going to provide you the accurate output. I'm going to click on run model, click on accept, and then it's going to start the process, and after some time our video would be ready. All right, and just like that, within a few minutes our video would be ready. And now just take a look at this video, how it turned out. I'm going to just mute the volume just because of copyright issues, so you can just see the video. All right, so there you have it, guys. That turned out absolutely perfect. And similarly, you can go ahead and do that for eyes to speed. Like, here is that output. Take a look at this. So yeah, that was really, really good as well. And similarly, I did that for again for Lacy. So take a look at this one as well. So yeah, all the generations are really, really good. And these kind of videos you see on TikTok all the time. And now, everyone was wondering in my comment section, how to create those for free. Is there any method? So now I got the method for you guys. So yeah, kindly check this out and let me know your reviews. So if you like this video, you guys, kindly make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. And if you have any suggestions, you can give it in the comments down below. Until then, take care. Bye bye.